Good morning. My name is Rick Weber, and we are here at the MarineMax Pompano store out on the patio. And what you're looking at is a Boston Whaler 2018 15 Super Sport. It's sold as a package the way you see it, galvanized steel trailer with a breakaway tongue. This particular boat is a light gray color. The standard boat is white. Sun top. And the 60 horsepower Mercury outboard with the command thrust lower unit. That's a heavier duty, larger lower unit than the normal 60. There's your fuel tank, battery. Great boat for just about anything you want to do. You can ski from it, you can fish from it, you can just run the family around through the intracoastal, go wherever you like. It's a great boat that people have started with. People who have been in boats for a long time have all either owned one or been around the Boston Whaler 13 or 15 Super Sport. It's just a standard in the industry, has been for a very long time. So there you go. That's a 2018 15-foot Super Sport. And again, we're here at MarineMax in Pompano. My name is Rick Weber. Come down and take a look at it, or if you like, give me a call. I can get you any information. 954-501-8493. Thank you.